Do you want to make social media content but you're camera shy and have no lighting setup?
Hey guys, it's me George, just enjoying the view of the Himalayas.
Or maybe you want to make a dramatic short film but you have no budget for a crew. Just use AI. But which one?
It doesn't matter.
Because Media.io has all the models you need. I'm kidding. I mean, Media.io does have all the models you'd need, but it does matter which ones you use and in which order. In this video, I'll guide you through the workflow of making a video from start to finish, all with AI, all within Media.io. In most cases, the first step of creating an AI video is starting with your first frame. Now, you could skip that step and go straight to text to video, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because starting with the first frame just gives you more control and allows you to spot mistakes before spending a bunch of credits on generating the entire video. When creating an image from text, you have the choice of these models. When just starting out, I'd recommend just using Nano Banana Pro because it is overall the most reliable and it's 50% off or free until June 30th if you have a Pro account. But let's say you have a bunch of reference images. Then I'd start with image to image instead of text to image. From there, you can upload up to 9 images depending on the model you use and prompt the model to combine them however you wish. If you want to change something about your image, you can send the generation straight back to image by selecting Edit in the bottom left corner of the generation. Once you are happy with your image, just click Animate and it will send the generation to image to video, where you can transform it into a video. For video generations, we have a lot of engines that are good for slightly different purposes, including Sora 2, Veo 3.1, every model of Kling. If you are creating professional content and need a lot of precision, maybe you are creating a product video, use 3.1. If you are less specific about the details and don't mind the model being creative with your prompt, maybe you need some inspiration for a more expensive model, use Sora 2. And if you're making cinema, use Kling 3.0. It's crazy.
What is that?
I don't know, but it is
Magnificent. Spectacular. Glorious.
Yeah, that was what I was going to say.
All 3 of these models also create sound effects, dialogue, and music at the same time. No need for additional audio. With Kling 01, you can use more than one reference for your video, and you can also edit a video you have already created by navigating to the video edit section. And last but not least, motion control. With motion control, you can upload a video of yourself performing an action. Maybe it's a talking head like this, or you want to make an animated movie, but you don't have the budget for a mocap suit. Then upload an image of the character you want to replace yourself with, add a prompt to specify any different locations or other details, and bam, you have your own digital studio set up. So there you have it. Create an AI video from start to finish without needing to open a video editor or even leave Media.io. And don't forget that Media.io Pro users get unlimited generations of Nano Banana Pro until June 30th. Click the link below to try Media.io for free. Like, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more AI content workflows and to keep updated on the newest, most powerful AI generation models.